This is Byron Torres with AskByron.com, where I will answer your questions on things having to do with online marketing, design, social media, and anything to do with the internet. And today's question has been asked of me a number of times in different ways, so I'll address it. And that question is, because of all the social media available to us for free, is it necessary to have a website for my business? This comes from a financial standpoint, meaning if I'm already managing all these things and it's really not costing me anything, at least to have these pages, should I pay for hosting and design? And the short answer to this is yes. The reason for this, there's a lot of reasons, but one of them is co-branding. You're co-branding your brand with Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and I'll get to that in a second, but the main reason is you're playing by somebody else's rules. So if they make a switch or a change, you have to make that switch and a change whether you like it or not. And a perfect example of this is when Facebook went from their old design to their new design. The old design was really flexible for business owners because it allowed us to have a default page that we wanted to show up when somebody first visited our Facebook page. So we could set up a video, a call to action form, pictures, whatever we wanted to do, it would be the default. Where today, it's uniform for everybody, and although there's a lot of neat things that you can do with the timeline, they took away the ability of allowing us to determine how we wanted that page to look and to function. The change was in Facebook's best interest, and it was intended to force business owners to purchase advertising. And from a business standpoint, I completely understand why Facebook did what they did. They are now responsible to Wall Street, and they have to monetize the site. But this change was intended to help them make money and not necessarily help you make money. It's intended to make you spend money with them. So when that change happened, we had no choice but to switch with it and adjust. Where when we have a website, your website is your brand and your rules. And combine that with a blog, show off your expertise. Now we're talking about you, you're presenting your product, your service, and your expertise in a way that you want to. Now, I'm not saying social media marketing is something that you should ignore. It's not. It's extremely relevant, but so is having a website. So don't ignore that. Your social media marketing is your reach and your social stickiness, if you will. But ultimately, we want to have the visitor and people that are interested in us take some sort of an action, whether it's filling out a form or giving us a call and ultimately hiring us or purchasing our service, sending them back to a website or a landing page or to our blog. It is extremely important for social media marketing to be part of the mix, but your website is still your focal point. It's your brand, it's your rules, it's your expertise. Show it off, so don't ignore it. This is Byron Torres with AskByron.com. If you would like to ask me a question, email me at byron@askbyron.com. Thanks for watching.